Because she's a pilgrim right now. I mean, he's a pilgrim, Shippo.
You didn't have any more corn left, did you, Brink? No. I'm only asking about the...
Recording her too.
You're shooting footage of her on the window? Oh, God. I'm trying to pack up the leftovers for you. That's why I was asking about what you were doing. You're not going to eat that lasagna and pack it away here.
Okay.
Are you going to eat the rest of it or no? Hello? Are you going to eat any more or are you done with it?
I'm done. Yeah, this is when a cat goes crazy. A cat's tail, at least. When she sees a bird.
That's why it hasn't completed, because there's a...
What? Oh, the Overlord is why you weren't completing that one?
Yeah.
Have you fought the Overlord yet or no?
Not yet. I'm just going in.
Getting ready to go in there?
No, I am in here.
Crazy cat.